Hello everyone, I am Amit Paripatidar and today I am going to discuss exception to the rule no consideration and no contract. Let us first understand what is a consideration. A promise without consideration cannot create a legal obligation. The general rule is that an agreement made without consideration is void. This rule is contained in section 25 of the Indian Contract Act, which declares that an agreement made without consideration is void. This means that a consideration is a must in all the cases. But this section provides a certain exceptions where an agreement is void even without consideration. In simple words, a consideration means something getting in return. Now we will do exception where the contract is without consideration but still it is considered to be void. First one, agreement made on account of natural love and affection. Section 25. In agreement which is made without consideration but it is a register and made on account of natural love and affection. The parties are close related to each other, then that is a contract is a void contract. Here are the conditions are: first, it should be expressed writing and registered under the law for the time being in force for the registration of documents, and it is a made on account of natural love and affection, and it should be between the parties standing in near relation to each other. Example: A out of natural love and affection promises to give his son B 5,000. A put his promises to B in a writing and register it. This is a wild contract. The expression near relation and natural love and affection has not been defined it in the Indian Contract Act. Second one, agreement to compensate for past voluntary services. An agreement without consideration is unenforceable if it is a promise to compensate wholly or in a part a person who has already voluntarily done something for the promisor or something which is a promisor was legally bound to do. In order that a promisor to pay for past voluntary service be binding, the following condition must be satisfied. First, the service should have been rendered voluntarily. The service must have been rendered for the promisor and not anybody else. For example, A finds B's purse and gives it to him. B promises to give him 100. This is a contract. Third one, agreement to pay time barred debt. According to this exception, a promise to pay a time barred debt wholly or in a part is unenforceable if such promise is in writing and signed by the debtor or his authorized agent. A time barred debt cannot be recovered and therefore a promise to repay such debt is without consideration. The following condition must be satisfied for the application of his exception. First one is the promise should be writing. It should be signed by the promisor or his authorized agent. The limitation period for the recovery of debt must be expired. Fourth one, completed gift. The gift actually made by a donor and accepted by the done will be void even without the consideration. So in case of a gift actually made, consideration is not necessary. If a person gives a certain property to the other person as a gift, and if the property is unmovable property and it is registered under the name of the whom under gift is made transfer of property, then it is a void contract if the person who has gifted cannot take his property again. Fifth one is a contract of agency. Section 185 specifically states that no consideration is necessary to create an agency when a person is appointed as an agent His appointment is wild even if there is a no consideration, although generally an agent gets remuneration by way of communication for the services rendered, but no consideration is immediately necessary at the time of appointment. So here no consideration is needed to the creator agency. Thank you everyone.